Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. So, getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had 4 new YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. 3 of them were bracelet tutorials. We had our jewel knot bracelet video come out, which was a design of our own. We also had a Solomon's Fire bracelet tutorial, as well as a basic cobra weave tutorial, which you can send to all of your friends who you want to get into paracord. Also, we had a macrame tutorial come out. We used these new geometric shapes that we've got and did a nice little wall design there. So if you're into macrame, make sure you go check that out. We also had 2 new blog posts come out since our last wrap-up. One of them is on how to sell more paracord bracelets, and the other is on how to store paracord. So if you're tired of tangled paracord, make sure to go read that blog. Next, looking at our paracord community, we have our Paracord Spotlight, which is a Paracord guild for this wrap-up. You guys have probably heard of them. They have an awesome YouTube channel, all sorts of tutorials. It's a great place to go to find new ideas as well as learn how to do them right there. So I'd highly recommend taking a look at that channel if you haven't. And now, on to what we wrapped. So this week, I wanted to wrap paracord with paracord. So I was trying to approach how I was going to do that. I decided to do it 3 different ways. I wrapped a single strand of paracord with paracord and a cobra weave. I wrapped a hank of paracord with paracord. I also wrapped a spool of paracord with paracord. I couldn't decide on what the ugliest color to match with purple was, so I just took all of my scraps, I fused them together, and I just used every color. So that's what we wrapped this week. And now, what we're gonna wrap next time, tropical themed air freshener. We'll see you then. Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. No. No.
These frames, these geometric frames.
I think I'm gonna hold it here. This here kind of might get lost or whatever. This is, I know.
Yeah, just frame it down for a while.
Yeah.
Just bring it up using these frames.
This, it kind of keeps that the center of attention, and then it's like the proximity effect when you use the mic if you want to like do that. It's the same thing with that's the center. Yeah, okay.